Alright, so the video continues, get a slightly different angle now. So apparently it's these buildings here that are due for either demolition or restoration or some kind of change. You can see up on the top floor they're doing some, look at that open there. Yeah, these buildings are old. I bet that red building's well over 100 years old. And then, up where? Up in there? Wow. When was that? Was that in the 60s or 50s or?
Yeah, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s.
Yeah. Wow.
Candy company started there.
Okay, yeah.
People when they used to take care of horses for. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, one week, and Tuesday, Thursday, the other week.
Wow.
You
You used to take care of horses for him?
Yeah.
Wow.
Bell and Mary Legs.
Yeah.
Bell. It's nice. Mary Legs is a little bitch. She'd jump on my friggin' shoulder. I'd have to hit it on the head with a shovel.
Not a nice horse, huh?
Oh, no. And there was 2 stalls in the garage, and I'd let one horse out and clean that stall, put the horse back in, let the other one out, clean that stall.
Wow. And it was only the owner that built this building that owned those horses?
No, he owned just the candy store.
Oh, he owned the candy store on the bottom floor.
Yep.
And the front of the store was on the other side of this?
No, there was no front of the store.
Oh, they came in through the back?
This is all below ground level.
Wow. I'm going to take a video of that apartment building there because I got a story to go with that.
That building's there.
Oh, really?
And one of the green roof towards the right of it.
All right, the green roof is going too? So back in '83, my cousin lived in this big gray building up on the top floor. And I lived on the other side of town, and I'd come visit him quite often. And I used to come on my bicycle, and I'd carry my bicycle up all those stairs. Of course, I wasn't very old. I was 18, 19 years old, and I was in good shape, so it was nothing for me to bring that bicycle up and down those stairs and then ride it home. But yeah, I have memories up there. He lived, I think, on the left side of the building.
And
Yeah.
you see the big chimney?
Oh yeah, look at that chimney.
That's the chimney that he has all this building.
Oh wow. Crazy. That chimney heated up all these buildings? There's a big furnace in there? Big boiler or something?
I think it was in here somewhere.
Yeah.
No, it had to be if that's where the chimney was.
Yeah, yeah. Crazy. Yeah, it's an old part of town. Alright, I'm going to shut her down.
Okay.
Alright, here are the buildings from a different angle. This is the building those apartments were in, where I used to take my bicycle up the stairs. Now, I don't know what's being destructed, torn down, or what's being renovated. I have a feeling this whole corner is, but we'll find out soon enough. You see that fence they've got there. I have a feeling all those buildings are empty in anticipation of it. I have a feeling it's all going to go with new development. Change the face of this town forever. And that's good and bad. Progress is always good and bad. Sad to see old traditions go, but these buildings are ancient and probably in rough shape. And it'll be good for the economy to have something new in here, new businesses, and revitalize, which it desperately needs. This is a historic library too, in its old building. So it's a mixed blessing. These are old buildings too. The Montgomery Ward building. You've been able to see that Montgomery Ward outline for as long as I can remember. That's at least the 70s. So you see they've got this all fenced off here all the way down where those people are, and that kind of completes the little block here. So yeah, it's going to change forever. This must be that green roofed building he was talking about earlier. Yeah, I remember going in this big building right here. It's where those apartments were my cousin was living. And I'll just end it with that.